Even many of those who don't live in the US know that as a result of the March 27 Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, or CARES Act, US citizens who filed their taxes in 2018 or 2019 and had an adjusted gross income no greater than $75,000 received $1,200. The same way, couples with under $150,000 received $2,400, and an additional $500 per qualifying child was granted. Most people referred to them as stimulus checks, but, well, there weren't only checks involved. If the authorities had someone's bank account information, the amount in question would have been sent there, and in some cases, EIP or Economic Impact Payment debit cards were sent instead of checks. Regardless, this much is certain. Sending people money this way can be considered a, let's say, universal basic income experiment, one which received support from both Republicans and Democrats in light of the fact that the COVID-19 pandemic had dramatic economic consequences. For example, unemployment levels not seen since the Great Depression days. On the one hand, a huge chunk of this is temporary unemployment, and as such, these measures are not meant to be permanent. On the other hand, however, even the income tax started out as a temporary measure. To give a non-US example, it was introduced as exactly that through the Income Tax Act of 1842 by the Parliament of the United Kingdom, but has been in effect ever since. All in all, these payments received bipartisan support because both Republicans and Democrats understood how dire the economic effects of the 2020 situation are and how financially unprepared the average citizen is. They are considered temporary measures at this point, but for historical reasons, as well as reasons related to skepticism about the ability of the real economy to rebound as impressively as asset prices have, the probability of these measures paving the way for permanent universal basic income is greater than it seems.